Hello everybody, my name is Luis and in this video I'm gonna share some wire size buggies in Revit 2023. But first I have in here my base project in 21 and I'm gonna show what's the buggies about. Here I have my wire size, some wire buggies in neutral. So the first one I'm gonna show is this one related to two poles circuits. When I change the phase, switch phases, for some reason Revit thinks this circuit is not balanced anymore. If we put in the it's a balanced circuit, so if I move the switch phase like this, it thinks it's not balanced anymore, so he adds the neutral by default. So it's kind of working, but this is a bug. So this was fixed in 2023. That's cool. But this other one, no. So let's show, but it's fixable. But let's go to Revit 2023 and it's the same project. I just import to this new version and by default it's showing like this. But if I update this circuit with the not balanced circuit, if I update this, like change this one to 21 and 30, and gonna remove my neutral, but now it's balanced and it's okay. Here's looking is balanced, but it's not update the wire. Interesting. But it's balanced now. Doesn't matter if the is on the AB, CB, doesn't matter. It's balanced on which phase. So that's cool. That's fixable and great. But this other one doesn't matter if I update this circuits. I need to remove this nasty bug wire. How I do that? Let's go in electrical settings. And doesn't matter what material I'm using. I could put in this, doesn't matter. Let's put in the first one and I'm gonna create a wire in here. Let's put one here just to insert a different one, and let's put bug wire. Yes, that's one that I want to remove from the neutral ecosystem, and I need to put the diameter in 0 because Revit gonna think this buggy wire gonna put in the 0 size, so gonna remove from my wire size ecosystem. So that's it. It's fixable and it's great. I could add another one just to show how it works. Let's put 2, buggy 2, and let's put the wire size about 8. About 1, 2, 8. Okay. Press OK, and here is my bug again. So it's still buggy, but it's fixable. And that's great. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more bug stuff like that, subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye.